Hello everyone, welcome to your favorite cat caption quantifiers. So in today's questions for the day, we are going to discuss two questions, two very good questions. One is on probability and other is a very straightforward one from the series. Let's see what it is. So the first question that we have is a box B1 contains 5 yellow balls and 4 green balls. So there's a box B1, 5 yellow and 4 green balls. Okay. And there is another box B2 that contains 4 yellow, 3 green and 2 red balls. Initially, a ball is transferred from B2 to B1 and then a ball is transferred from B1 to B2. तो हमने B2 से B1 में एक बॉल डाली और उसके बाद B1 से B2 में एक बॉल डाली. Okay. If the probability that at the end of two transfers, the configuration of the boxes remain the same as what they originally were, is A by B, what is A plus B. So हमसे क्वेश्चन में पूछा गया है, हमसे ये पूछा है कि यार अगर हमने जब दो मूवमेंट्स करी B2 से B1 में और B1 से B2 में, उसके बाद जितनी बॉल्स जहां थी उतनी की उतनी ही है, 5 येलो 4 ग्रीन की उतनी है और 4 येलो 3 ग्रीन 2 रेड की उतनी ही है. अगर ये टोटल प्रोबेबिलिटी A by B है तो हमें निकालना क्या है, A plus B. Now think, you are sending a ball from B2 to B1. What are the possibilities? That you are either sending a yellow ball or a green ball or a red ball. Okay. And what is the second case? You are fetching back again a yellow ball, again a green ball, and again a red ball. So basically, there are three possibilities. We have learned this very well in our probability class, the concept of AND versus OR. Yellow or green or red. So basically, these probabilities are going to get added. And what do we need? Yellow and yellow. Yellow यहाँ से जाएगी और yellow यहाँ से आएगी. Since it is a compulsion, the probabilities are going to get multiplied. Green and green and red is and red. So OR versus AND a simple case है. Now, first case, a yellow is being transferred from B2 to B1 and the yellow is again transferred from B1 to B2. The first case, 4 yellow is 4 upon 9 into. Now, there are 6 yellows here since one yellow is being transferred from B2 to B1. So, taking it back, 6 by 10 plus green 3 by 9 and fetching it back 5 by 10. Okay, 3 out of 9 and 5 out of 10. And red. 2 red, so 2 red out of 9, and then there is only 1 red out there, right? So getting it back is 1 by 10. So basically this is the final answer or the probability that I am going to get by adding it. So it is 24 by 40 plus 15 by 40, sorry 90, not 40, 90. 24 by 90, 15 by 90 and 2 by 90. 24, 15, 39 to 41 by 90 is the probability, which is nothing but A by B. So what is the value of A plus B? A plus B is 41 plus 90. 131 is the required answer for this question. I hope you have understood the concept. Okay. Now, second, find the sum of all the natural numbers from 50 to 150, which are the multiples of neither 3 nor 4. So वो सारे numbers from 50 to 150, which are the multiples of neither 3 and nor 4. Okay. So basically 50 to 150 को add करना है मैंने. I have to add them and I have to remove those who are the multiple of 4 and I have to remove those which are the multiple of 4. Okay. Now let's take a very basic case before I start doing it. Let's say I am adding numbers from 1 to 10. So what is the total here? The total is 10 into 11 by 2, that is 55. Now let us say I have to remove the numbers. I have to remove the numbers which are the multiple of 3 and 4. Okay, just a very small modification. Let us do it up to 12. Okay. Now what is the sum up to 12? The sum up to 12 is 12 into 13 by 2, 78. Let us say I have to remove those numbers which are the multiple of 3 and which are the multiple of 4. Now if I think it like this, अगर मैं इसको ऐसे करने की try करूँ, that I am removing the multiples of 3. So 3, 6, 9 and 12. 3 and 6, 9, 9, 18 and 12, 30. Let us say I am removing 30. And then let me think that I am removing the multiples of 4. So if I am removing the multiples of 4, 4, 8 and 12. So 4 and 8, 12 and 12, 24. Right? So 8 minus 4, 4, 7 minus 3, 4 minus 2, 24. Now if you observe one thing, that what have you done here? This number 12 is removed twice. One as a multiple of 3 and one as a multiple of 4. Now this is a basic flaw. Our answer is coming out to be 24, but what should be the answer actually? The answer should be 1 and 2, 3, 3 and 5, 8, 8 and 7, 15, 15 and 10, 20, 25 and 11, 36. So why is 36? Why is the difference of 12? Because this 12 was removed twice. So basically I have to remove the multiples of 3. I have to remove the multiples of 4. But then I need to add back the multiples of 12 because these were removed twice in the process. One as a multiple of 3 and one as a multiple of 4. So यही basic technique मैं use करने वाला हूँ from here also. I hope the concept up to this point is clear. Okay, now let's see what is here. I have to remove 3, I have to remove 4, and then I have to add the multiples of 12, right? So from 50 to 150, what is the sum? It is an AP. 50 to 150, the terms are 101. So 101 into 50 plus 150 by 2. This is how we calculate the sum of AP. Number of terms into first plus last by 2. So this comes out to be 10100. 200 by 2 is 100, so 10100. Right? Okay. Now, second thing, let me remove the multiples of 3. So the multiples of 3 are 51, 54 and counting up to 150. So this is the 17th multiple, 18th multiple up to 50th multiple. So how many multiples are these from 17 to 50? These are 34 terms, right? So 34 number of terms into first term plus last term divided by, I am talking about the multiples of 3. So 17 into 201, that is 3417, right? Multiples of 3. Then we talk about the multiples of 4, right? Multiples of 4 are 52, 56, so on up to 150, so those come 148. And how many multiples are these? 13th multiple, 14th multiple, and so on up to 37th multiple. How many terms are these? 37 minus 13, 24 and 1, 25 terms. 25 into 52 plus 148 by 2, right? This is what I will get. So 152 plus 52 plus 148. This will come out to be 2500, right? This will come out to be 2500 directly. Now, as I explained you earlier that in this process I have removed those multiples, remove the multiples of 12 twice. So I need to add them back. Okay. So multiples of 12 count from the first multiple would be 60, 72, and this process will continue up to 144. So this is the 5th multiple, this is the 6th multiple, so on up to the 12th multiple. So how many multiples are these? These are 8 multiples. So 8 into 204 by, okay, so 816. So what is going to be my net answer? The net answer is 10,100 minus the multiples of 3 minus the multiple of 4 and adding up the multiples of 12 because these were removed twice. So the net answer in this process is going to be 4,999. So this is the required answer up to this time. I hope the concept is clear to you, and if you understood, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day.